Very good, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time that you watch the video, my friends. This is Miguel, my friends, and today we're going to learn and practice past simple passive, okay? Let's begin. Look, first we need to study and remember active voice, okay? Active voice, for example, Alfred Nobel invented the dynamite. That is, remember, active voice is the usual way that everybody speaks in Spanish or in English, okay? Everybody speaks in the active voice. Passive voice, my friends, passive voice is used for formal writing, for formal use of the language, okay, or for formal interaction with someone you don't know. And look, in the passive voice, we say the dynamite was invented by Alfred Nobel. Why was invented, my friends? Because the first sentence is in the past, invented. So in the passive voice, we have to follow that tense, okay, which is was invented. Look, the Wright brothers invented airplanes. That is the active, okay? And it's in the past, okay? Verb in past. Passive voice. Airplanes were invented by the Wright brothers. And once again, my friends, here you have to pay attention to the verb of the main sentence, which is past, okay? And you have to follow and respect the tense also in the passive voice. Were invented. Why were invented? Because the object is plural, okay? That's why we say were invented. Now, some more examples. For example, active and passive, okay? Cook. A man cooked dinner. Dinner was cooked by a man. Again, my friends, remember, okay? The first sentence is past, okay? And you have to use the passive in the past, okay? Was cooked by a man. Students did homework, or homework was done by students. Remember, you have to use verb to be in past and one verb in past participle, okay? For example, the box was carried by the woman, okay? Or the house was built by the builder. Or students were taught by a teacher. Here, my friends, you always need to mention the doer. And how do you mention the doer? By saying by the woman, by the builder, or by a teacher, okay? Once again, we have verb to be in the past, was, or were. And then you have the main verb in the past participle, carried, built, or taught. Remember, so here you have some activities, okay, some examples. So please write them down, please, on your notebook, please, and answer exercise 4 and exercise 5, my friends, okay? So very good, my friends, that was all. Thank you for watching this video, my friends, and see you in class. Thank you.